members of the management, coordinators, teachers, staff, respected parents, and dear students. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you who are present here today to grace the occasion of the Global School Awards 2024 conducted by the GIIS East Coast Campus. Before we begin, we must have a look at the fire evacuation plan as per protocol. We can see it displayed on the screen. There are 2 exits to the auditorium, one in the front and one at the back. Assembly point 1 is the car park and assembly point 2 is the kindergarten area. Now, back to today's event. 2023 was a year of change. Earth experienced its hottest day since at least 1979, with a global average temperature of 17.18 degrees centigrade. The WHO finally declared the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. India overtook China to become the most populous country, and artificial intelligence overtook our lives. But it is a good thing that some things don't change. And here at GIIS East Coast, our students have once again done what they've always been doing, making us, their teachers, and you, the parents, very proud. Today, I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you all and acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school as well as their families proud. GSA 2024 is held to recognize the young talents who have made an immense contribution to our school in scholastic as well as non-scholastic fields. These students are exhibiting qualities that will not only help them in achieving their goals, but will also bring glory to the school and to their families. Today, we've gathered here not just to celebrate the achievements of our students, but to also give due regard to our values and morals, which these awardees exemplify: discipline, compassion, and a passionate zeal for learning. So let us begin today's program with a beautiful dance performance on one of Nobel laureate Sri Rabindranath Tagore's song, extolling the beauty of nature. Over to the dancers, please.
শুনি মঞ্জুল গুঞ্জন কুঞ্জে শুনি রে শুনি মর্মর পল্লব কুঞ্জে পিকক জন পুষ্প বনে বিজনে মৃদু বায়ু হিলোল বিলোল বিপুল বিশাল সরোবর মাঝে কলগীত সুললিত বাজে শ্যামল কান্দার পরে অনিল সঞ্চারে ভিড়ে বিশ্বজন মোহিছে প্রলয়ঙ্করী শঙ্করী নাচে করে ঘর জননীর ঝরিণী সঘনে এর খুব ধফালো বিশাল নিরালো বিরালো তমালো বিজানি উঠে রব ভৈরব টানে পবন মল্লার গীত গাহিছে আধার রাতে উন্মাদিনী সোদামিনী রঙ্গ ভরে নৃত্য করে অম্বর তলে দিকে দিকে কত বাণী নব নব কত ভাষা ঝড় ঝড় রসধারা বিশ্ববীণারবে বিশ্বজন মোহিছে আশিরে নবানন্দ উৎসব নব অতি নির্মল অতি নির্মল অতি নির্মল উজ্জ্বল সাজে ভুবনে নব শারদ লক্ষ্মী বিরাজে নব ইন্দু লেখা লোকে ঝলকে অতি নির্মল হাস বিভাস বিকাশ আকাশ নীলাম্বুজ মাঝে শ্বেত ভুজে শ্বেত বিনা বাজে উঠিছে আলাপ মৃদু মধুর বিহাবতারে চন্দ্র করে উল্লসিত উল্লবনে ঝিল্লি রবে তন্দ্রানি দিকে দিকে কত বাণী নব নব কত ভাষা ঝড় ঝড় রসধারা বিশ্ববীণারবে বিশ্বজন মোহিছে
Thank you, students. That was a soulful and mesmerizing performance indeed. I would now like to call upon our respected principal, Mr. C.V.K. Shastri, to address the gathering today. Sir, please.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to all the parents, students, and the management members. Today we have Mr. Prashant, our country director, and surprise visit for us from the principal of Smart Campus, Miss Melissa Maria. So, warm welcome to one and all the awardees as well today. I think this is one of the annual events that the students and as well as the parents look forward to year on year. Because obviously when we say Global School Awards, it's an annual recognition for students' performance in academics and as well as in their co-scholastic areas. I think just a testimony that you're seeing the wonderful dance put up by the students, it definitely defines the philosophy and the faith that the school has in grooming the children as a holistic personality. Education is not all about just books. We are very sure about it. It's not all about only the digital space or the gadgets that the children get used to. It's all about, learning in all different areas to be a holistic personality. And I think the backbone of success of our system, I would proudly say, is the 9 Gems pedagogical model that we seamlessly integrate between the academic lessons that we have or the classes that they have along with the scholastic periods. In many schools, you have these ECAs, CCAs outside the curriculum. But I think GIS has been successful in integrating the scholastic and as well as the co-scholastics seamlessly. I think also I must thank all the parents for the great support that you give to them in grooming them and giving them an opportunity and platform to be holistic individuals. And also having faith in the GIS system, come what may, you are there at back of them to support in all different ways. I would take this opportunity also to inform you all proudly that GIS East Coast Campus has won the IMC Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Award in overseas category And on Friday, I was there in Mumbai to receive the award from the Nobel laureate Satcharji, Kailash Satcharji. I would take this opportunity to bring and to summarize what we believe and what we do at the ground level. In fact, there was a team of the auditors from the IMC, and they have done a thorough 3-day audit of our campus. And part of their citation, I would like to bring out to you what for this award has been given to us. Leaders driving the education excellence culture globally, implementing Kaizen methodologies to increase the effectiveness of the pyramid of education excellence model, utilizing the dynamic 9 gems model framework to evaluate and improve student outcomes, including the core values of Mahatma through themed assemblies, empowering students through quality circle projects and competition aligned with the UN SDG goals, using technology to make data-driven decisions. I think if you see the citation, they have through and through have gone through our processes, each and every one, and they have given this award. And I'm sure we are not in just theory or in terms of just putting the core values or the vision and mission on the walls there, but it is there with each and every child that is groomed through the nursery to grade 12. So thank you so much once again, dear parents, for showing the continued support and keeping faith in us. And we will not fail you to groom the holistic children. So welcome you all once again to this Global School Awards ceremony. Thank you. May I now request, after she has arrived, she was saying, no, I don't want to speak, I don't want to address, but I think Melissa Maria ma'am has readily agreed to address the gathering. May I request her on the dais?
So from the principal of GIIS, the Clean and Green Campus, over to the principal of the Smart Campus from Pongol, Melissa Maria ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you, Shastri. Good morning, parents. It's my pleasure to be here. It's nostalgic, actually, because I've been here for the last 5 years, so this is home to me. But today is a special day for our children, and I thought it is apt to speak to you. You know, I'm reminded of a story. I don't know if you've heard this, but this is of a 11-year-old girl called Gitanjali Rao. And this child saw her parents struggle over something. And what was that? She saw that they kept testing the drinking water every day. And it pained her because she couldn't understand why. Her parents were concerned that the water in the place she lived in contained a lot of lead in it. So they tested the water to make sure that she had the best water to drink. Now this triggered something within her. So she was a student at school, studying, doing a lot of her subjects, but very interested in science. So she made it her project to see how she could ease the problems her parents were facing. This girl, Gitanjali Rao, 11-year-old, bagged the 2017 3M Discovery Award for finding a solution to the lead content in water. And this is in Michigan, where she stayed. Okay? And it helped her patent her idea and do further research. Now you will ask me, why am I telling you this? I'm sharing this story because I am of the firm belief that there are many Gitanjali Raos and better sitting here. Because you're going to take back what you learn in your classes from your very experienced teachers. Whatever they teach you, if you put that to use, if you pick up what you learn and you put that to use, I am positive we are going to have many, many, many more Gitanjali Raos here. So dear students, don't let this award be something that is an end in itself. you need to pick this and from there see what you can use for the betterment of the society that we live in. And to your parents, like Shastri sir said, you are the backbone. It's a salute to you because it is your dedication and your sacrifice because of which, our children are sitting here. Together as our teachers and you, I think we can form a very formidable bond to have many, many more students have their names etched in the, annals of history. So to wish all of you the best. Thank you so much for this opportunity and a special, special mention to the dancers. How beautiful were they? Shrabonti, congratulations. I always love seeing your dance. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you, ma'am, for that inspiring story and those words of wisdom. Always a pleasure to hear you speak. And we move on. Awards are a way to encourage good behavior and inculcate competitive spirit. As part of the 9 GEMS pedagogy that our school has always believed in and espouses to every child, it has always provided its students with a healthy and fairly competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activity, be it academic, sport, or any other extracurricular role. We strive to give equal opportunities to all our students so that they realize their true potential and get ready to face the outer world once they complete their scholastic education. And we are very pleased to see our dear students performing and excelling in their respective areas of interest. The difference between a successful person and others is not lack of strength, nor lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. The roots of true achievement lie in the will to become the best you can become. Don't wait for an opportunity, create it, said the great George Bernard Shaw. And today, we are here to give away the awards for students who have done just that. It's with great pride that we accolade and recognize the efforts of our students who, through their sheer hard work, determination, discipline, talent, and perseverance, have made a mark for themselves and become role models for their peers and the pride of their teachers and parents alike. The various awards being given today are the Justice C.S. Dharmadhikari GIIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence. This award is given for students in various co-curricular activities such as performing arts, literary activities, fine arts, and leadership skills. The Chandrakant Borde GIIS Award for Sports Excellence, awarded to students who have participated and secured positions in inter-school, zonal, national, and even international sports competitions. The Subject Proficiency Award, won by students who have secured the highest number of marks in a particular subject within their grade. The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIIS Award for Academic Proficiency, awarded to students who have secured the first 3 positions in their respective grades. The GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence is for students who have shown exemplary performance in all areas, including academics, co-curricular activities, sports, or as office bearers. Before we proceed with the award ceremony, I would like to inform you all that there is a photo booth outside the auditorium for you to capture your special memories of this special day. Also, snacks will be available in the foyer below the auditorium, so please do not forget to enjoy them before you leave. We begin today's awards presentation with a felicitation of students receiving the Justice C.S. Dharmadhikari GIIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence. May I now call upon Ms. Udaya Ranido, the PYP Coordinator for GIIS East Coast, to give away this set of awards, please. Ms. O. The first awardee of the morning, Sanvi Singh from PYP4 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Performing Arts in Dance. Prisha Kedar Khairnar from PYP4 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Oratory. Neyan Melabudi Bhaskar from CBSE 4 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Oratory. Arika Vombatkere from PYP5 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Performing Arts in Dance. Shruti Lakshmi Narayanan from CBSE 5 has won the JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Oratory. Mishika Gudipudi from CBSE 7 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Performing Arts for Music. Akshara Tamu from CBSE 8 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Performing Arts Dance. Abir Nitin Chaudhary from CLSP 8 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Visual Arts. Aditi Avinash Gujar from CBSE 9 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari JIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Performing Arts for Music. Congratulations to all the students. Thank you, Ms. Udaya. Now, we move on to the Chandrakant Borde GIS Award for Sports Excellence. May I please call upon stage Mr. Prashant Bafna, Country Director, to give away these awards, please. Mr. Bafna. The first winner of this award is Adya Bafna from PYP 5, the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Table Tennis. Tia Shrija Rahul for table tennis. She's from PYP 5 and has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence. The next awardee is Hanika Khanna from CBSE 5, who's won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in table tennis. Smriti Mahesh from CBSE 6 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Athletics. Clearly, she is a multi-talented girl, receiving the Chandrakant Borde Award dressed in a dance attire. Wonderful. Next, we have Yuvraj Malik from CBSE 6, who's won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Badminton. Shriya Arun Kumar Papala from CBSE 7 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Athletics. Ovia Melabudi Bhaskar from CBSE 7 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in basketball. Varsha Sairam Kumar from CLSP 7 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Badminton. Divit Turakia from CBSE 8 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in cricket. I think the IPL going on has got a lot to do with the popularity of this award. Next we have Tanmita Vijay Shankar Nisha, who's won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Badminton. Tanvi Mehta from CLSP 8 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in basketball. The next awardee is Ashley May Michelle Harrison. And I would like to speak something about dear Ashley here. She is a unique student who not only represents the Philippines for her sport, which is fencing, but she is also ranked in the open category in spite of being just 15 years old. A very, very big round of applause for our special champion, Ashley, has won the award for fencing. Medini Sai Satish Kumar has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Badminton from CBSE 9. Shamali Tirumala Setti from CBSE 9 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in basketball. And Sharvesh Senthil from CLSP 8 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in go-karting. Heartiest congratulations to all the students, and thank you so much, Mr. Bafna, for doing the honors. The next set of awards is for subject proficiency. These are awarded to students who have done extremely well and achieved the highest marks in certain subjects. May I please call upon Ms. Kanchan Gaurav, Primary Coordinator for GIIS East Coast, to give away this set of awards, please. Ms. Kanchan? Let's begin the subject proficiency awards. The first one is to Sanidhya Gurjar from CLSP 6, who has won the subject proficiency award for Hindi. Next, we have Jayaraksha Muthukumar from CBSE 6, who's won the Subject Proficiency Award for Tamil. Can we have Aratrika Mitra from CBSE 6? Aratrika has won the Subject Proficiency Award for French. Samir Sonar Samir from CLSP 7 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Hindi. Yashvi Agarwal from CBSE 7 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Science. Unfortunately, Yashvi is not able to attend the ceremony today, so we move on to Siyu Chen from CLSP 8, who has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Mandarin. Next, we have Leheri Vadyar from IGCSE 9. Larry has bagged the Subject Proficiency Award for Business Studies. Next, we have Arsheya Sharma from CBSE 9. Arsheya has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Mathematics. Heartiest congratulations to all the students. The next award is the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Academic Proficiency. And may I have Abjit Balamanikandan from CBSE 7, who has bagged the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Thank you so much, Ms. Kanchan, for doing the honors. With all the excitement building, let us now sit back and enjoy a song based on leadership performed by none other than the musical talents of GIIS East Coast. Students,
You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can be the world, you can be the wars. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can bring it back. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, but don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you will find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know your name. Ooh, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know your name. Ooh, and you'll be on the walk to the Hall of Fame. You can run the mile. You can walk straight to hell with a smile. You can be the hero. You can get the gold. Breaking all the records that are never to be broke. Yeah, do it for your people. Do it for your pride. You never ever know. You can never even try. Yeah, do it for your country. Do it for your name. 'Cause it's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you earned with the hardest way. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls in the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be students, be teachers, politicians, be preachers. Be the leaders, be leaders. Astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, politicians, be preachers. Be the leaders, be leaders. Astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls in the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. We can be a champion. You 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 can be a champion. Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Wow. What an energetic performance that was. Thank you, students. May I now call upon Ms. Pooja Dogra, Secondary Coordinator, GIIS East Coast Campus, to give away the next set of awards. We are now applauding the students who have bagged multiple trophies under various categories. Let's recognize their efforts now. Sanvi Singh from PYP5 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Athletics and the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Badminton. Sanvi Singh. Vidyut Praveen from CLSP 6 has bagged the Subject Proficiency Award for Science and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position in his grade. Vidyut Praveen. Akshaj Vinod from CLSP 6 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Global Perspectives and the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Table Tennis. Akshaj Vinod. Shreyanshi Pradhan from CBSE 6 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari GIIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Performing Arts for Dance and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position. Shreyanshi Pradhan. Next we have Vibha Sriram from CBSE 6. Vibha has won the Subject Proficiency Award in Mathematics and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Vibha Sriram. Debarpan Sarkar from CLSP 7 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for ICT as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position. Debarpan Sarkar. Srishti Pramanik from CBSE 7 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Hindi as well as the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Performing Arts in Music. Srishti Pramanik. Next we have Arav Karthik from CLSP 8 who has won the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence for Performing Arts in Music as well as the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Table Tennis. Kavin Karthik Shivakumar from CBSE 8 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Tamil as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Kavin Shivakumar Karthik. Next we have Ovia Tamarai from CBSE 8. Another multi-talented girl who has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Table Tennis and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. And as you all witnessed, she is a fantastic dancer as well. Congratulations to all the students and thank you so much, Ms. Pooja, for doing the honors. May I now call upon Ms. Rashida Pagdiwala, our IBDP coordinator for the GIS East Coast campus, to present the next set of awards. Ms. Rashida, please. Nidhi Bhatt from IGCSE 9 has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Mathematics Normal Track as well as the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Performing Arts for Dance. Siddhi Saini. I have to go a little slow to ensure that I am heard after the applause. So pardon me if I'm going a little slow. Siddhi has won the Subject Proficiency Award for French and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Vyom K. Balan. Vyom has won. All right. So I must mention, Vyom is a recent addition to our GIS East Coast family. As you can make out, he is quite popular already. He has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Polo and the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Football. Congratulations, Vyom. Next we have A.S. Aryan. He has won the Chandrakant Borde Sports Award for Sports Excellence in Athletics as well as for football. A.S. Aryan. Vidyut Sriram from CBSE 9 has won the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence for cricket as well as for table tennis. Vidyut Sriram. Next we have Gayatri Girish Pandkar. Gayatri has bagged the Subject Proficiency Awards for English Literature and for Computer Science. Omar Siddiqui from CLSP 6. Omar has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for French as well as ICT and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Omar Siddiqui. Soham Sharma. From CLSP 8 has won the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Digital Arts, the Subject Proficiency Award for Hindi, as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position. Soham Sharma. Kirtjot Singh. From CLSP 6 has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, Mathematics, along with the Chandrakant Borde GIS Award for Sports Excellence in Cricket and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Kirtjot Singh. As you can see, he has injured his arm while playing cricket. So you can go slow, Kirtjot. Aaron D'Souza from CLSP 7 has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, French, Science and Global Perspectives. Aaron D'Souza. Thank you so much, Ms. Rashida, for doing the honors. I would now like to invite Ms. Melissa Maria ma'am to give away the next set of awards, please. As we all know, Ms. Melissa Maria is the principal of the Smart Campus at Pungol. I'd like to call upon Savir Soni from CLSP 7. Savir has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for Hindi and Mathematics, the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Cricket, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Savir Soni. Shrikrish Nandan. Shrikrish Nandan has won the Subject Proficiency Award for Tamil, the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Oratory, the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Cricket, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position. Shrikrish Nandan. Next, can I have Pranav Ramnath? Pranav has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for French and Science, the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Football, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position. Pranav Ramnath. Vadentiran Satyanarayanan, or Vadi as we fondly call him, has bagged the Subject Proficiency Awards for Mathematics, Fast Track, Tamil, for Physics, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position in his grade. Vadentiran Satyanarayanan. Dakshini Muthukumar from CBSE 9 has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for Tamil, Science and Social Science, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam JIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Dakshini Muthukumar. Neeral Bakliwal from CBSE 9. Neeral has bagged the Subject Proficiency Awards for Hindi, Social Science and Computer Applications, as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Neeral Bakliwal. Parthiv Prashant. This young man has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English and French, the Chandrakant Borde Award for Sports Excellence in Football, as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the third position in his grade. Parthiv Prashant. Next, may I call upon Muriel Paul from CBSE 7. Muriel has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, French, Mathematics and Social Science, and of course the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Muriel Paul. Harshada Ganapati Raman. Harshada has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for French, Mathematics, Science and ICT, and goes without saying that the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Harshada Ganapati Raman. Next we have Rudransh Arora from CBSE 8. Rudransh has bagged the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, Hindi, Mathematics and Social Science, and of course the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Rudransh Arora. Next we have Elena Yagnik. Elena Yagnik from CBSE 6 has bagged the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, Hindi, Science and Social Science, the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Oratory, as well as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Elena Yagnik, ladies and gentlemen. Arnav Jani. Arnav has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English, ICT, Global Perspectives and Additional Subjects, the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Oratory, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the second position. Arnav Jani, ladies and gentlemen. And now may I call upon Disha Rao. Disha has won the Subject Proficiency Awards for English Language, Hindi as Second Language, Chemistry and Biology, the Justice Dharmadhikari GIS Award for Co-Curricular Excellence in Oratory, and the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam GIS Award for Academic Proficiency by securing the first position. Disha Raut, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Miss Melissa, for doing the honors. Just reading the awards makes me tired. I wonder how these students find the time to do all that. Fantastic achievements for each and every one of them. A huge round of applause once again, please. And last but most definitely not the least, we have the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence. May I please call upon Mr. CVK Shastri, Principal GIS East Coast, to give away these prestigious awards. Mr. Shastri? Mr. Prashant Bafna, please, I would like to invite you on stage as well to jointly do the honors. Mr. Prashant Bafna is Country Director. So we have the awardees receiving the awards from two very distinguished gentlemen, Mr. Shastri and Mr. Bafna. The first awardee of the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence is Jacob Paul from CBSE 4. Heartiest congratulations, Jacob. The next awardee for the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence is Anvita Naveen Shastri from PYP 5. The next awardee for the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence is Vibha Sriram from CBSE 6. The next GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence goes to Miriel Paul from CBSE 7. The next winner of the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence is Harshada Ganapati Raman from CLSP 8. And the final award of the morning, the GSF President's Award for All-Round Excellence, goes to Dakshini Muthukumar from CBSE 9. Heartiest congratulations to all the very deserving winners. A huge round of applause, please. as the event comes to an end, I would first like to thank Mr. Bafna and Mr. Shastri and all the dignitaries, Ms. Rashida, Ms. Kanchan, Ms. Melissa, Ms. Pooja, Ms. Udaya, for doing the honors. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the students once again and wish them all the very best in the years to come. For them to continue to excel in their journey towards exemplary achievements and personal growth. Students, you have made your parents and us, your teachers, very, very proud. So heartfelt thank you to all of you. A program of this magnitude takes a Herculean amount of planning, effort, and hard work over several months. And thus, it would be unbecoming to end the day without expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers and staff who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make today's event a success. You all know who you are. Thank you all very much. On behalf of Mr. Shastri and the entire teaching and non-teaching staff at GIIS East Coast, I thank our wonderful and appreciative audience for the day. Thank you all so much.